Autocad is a computer-aided design (CAD) software program that is widely used for creating 2D and 3D designs, drafting, and modeling. Developed by Autodesk, Autocad is used in a variety of industries, including architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and entertainment. Autocad enables users to create precise drawings and models using a range of tools and features, including geometric shapes, lines, arcs, splines, and polylines. Users can also add annotations, dimensions, and text to their designs, and create and manage layers to organize and control the visibility of their drawings. Autocad also supports 3D modeling, allowing users to create complex 3D objects and structures using solids, surfaces, meshes, and other tools. Users can also render their models to create realistic visualizations of their designs. Autocad is a powerful tool that requires some training and experience to use effectively. There are many resources available to help users learn how to use Autocad, including online tutorials, user forums, and training courses.